Hello, in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make this amigurumi, a lily of the valley flower. You can also make in color blue and a color white. You're gonna need this in 18 centimeter long wire and 10 centimeter, 3 pieces of 10 centimeter short one if you're going to make this amigurumi in a small pot. First, you're going to make the stem. Then take your glue. Then add a 1 centimeter on the top. Then take your yellow yarn and glue it here. Then once the glue attach or dries in here, cut the yarn. Then add this green yarn and roll around on this side. Then again, glue at the bottom on this wire here. Okay, then wait the glue to dry and cut the yarn. You will just need to glue on the top and at the bottom of this wire. Then we will arrange this like this. Then again, take your green yarn, then roll around. Form a magic ring. Chain. Then add 6 single crochet inside the ring. Okay, once done with 6 single crochet, pull the tail, but do not close it tight. Make a little bit of hole at the center. Then insert your hook in the first stitch, first chain here, including the tail, and make a single crochet. then add one more single crochet on that same stitch, then in the next chain add increase or 2 single crochet. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So now we have 12 single crochet stitch, and then in the next round single crochet in each in round 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Then do it the same in round 4 to round 5. Then this is what it looked like after the round 5. Slip stitch in the next chain, then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch second chain from the hook here, second, make a slip stitch, and then half double crochet in the next chain, then slip stitch in the next 2, 1 and 2 here. Repeat a chain of 3, then slip stitch second chain from the hook, and then half double crochet. Then once you made the 6, slip stitch in the next 2, then make a chain and cut the yarn. For this spot tutorial, you can click in my description or above this video on the right side. And that's it. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.